Welcome back to Maze Game Challenges. Today we are going to be playing the daily challenge. But first let's have a look at the one from yesterday. I think there was still quite a few hours on the clock back then, so there might have come someone new in. But it looks like everyone who played when we played were the one who ended up playing. That was a convoluted sentence. Anyway, today we are again a bit early. There is still 7 hours and 36 minutes left on the clock. 2 players have already played, and we are gonna be playing 7 rounds of 120 seconds. So that's 2 minutes. That is 30 seconds more than you get in the arena. So that's it's quite a comfortable amount of time. So let's get going. Round 1, 17 blocks, and we have, I feel like right is the answer, because otherwise we can't use it down here. And let's get that. Something like this. I like that a bit more. Let's see. Something like that. Do this. This is looking very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Is there something we can do a little bit? Make some minor adjustments? I don't think so. I think I'm quite happy with this. Let's throw it out there and see who else have been playing. It's Astaroth and NoobDK. We all agreed on the beginning. It looks like me and Astaroth has almost the same. He chose to put these two one to the side. I think that's equivalent. You're trading this diagonal for this diagonal. So I think me and Astaroth are gonna be tied for this one. Yeah, we are. Alright, so let's have a look at round 2. No points to lose, or Astaroth will be in the lead. Let's start by going right. Have a lot of blocks. I think we should try and aim for either a triple and a double, or 2 doubles. 2 doubles would also be super fine. 2 up there. Probably get one in there. Not, can't do that. No. What if we do something like this instead and say that, and go up here, do it like so. Have one there. Are we on time? Still very, very fine. If we put one there, we can put then one more to the side. Alright, one left. We're losing out on this corner down here, and I'm not happy about it, but I think it is what it is. Can instead do it like so, but I don't think that's better. Let's get this one back. We need to get going on our claps there. 1, 2, 3. And where will be our second one? Here, I guess. Not really happy with it, but it is a single, a double and a triple. So very different, great one down here by NoobDK. Wouldn't be too surprised if that ends up being the winning solution. So Astaroth hitting 2 doubles, yeah, just barely missing the triple there. But I don't think this is gonna be a double. So it's a single and a double. I think this is very, very good for us. Yeah. Maybe Noob DK is... Nope. We are gonna run away with it. Beating Noob DK by 3,000 and Astaroth by 12. Alright. Great first 2 rounds. So we are on a lead. We have 12,000 points to spare here. 7 blocks. Bet it's something like this. Can't do that. Bet it ain't something like that then. Go something like that. It's probably a little bit more sensible. And these two don't do anything up here, they do a little. I like this. These feel not the best, but I think it's acceptable. Let's throw it out there. So Astaroth with the same solution and Noob DK with a little bit of a different one. So we are gonna tie, me and Astaroth. So we keep our lead for now. Let's see. Yeah. Maybe not. Sorry for this sound outside. It is summer and I cannot have the window closed. I will perish. So let's see. Something like that. Get that one there. That is very close to each other. It's always gonna go left around that one. So let's do something like that. And we are gonna get a double out of that. I'm not 100% certain. Something cool we can do with these. Doesn't really matter. I think it's gonna go this way around no matter what. Unless we put one here. Is there one we could put there? Nope. Nope. I don't see it happening. Boop. Just for some style points. Guess no. Let's get it to hit as early as possible, so it's not gonna overlap between the second hit here and it running out. There's gonna be a good bit of overlap between the second hit here and the first hit here, but that is just what's gonna happen for us. Yeah, let's throw this out there and see. So Astaroth just went a step further here, and that might actually be giving him the victory in this round. Let's see. He's doing very good with the... but he doesn't double on this. It should have been one to the side. That is a tragedy. So I think we're gonna be more or less safe. Me and Noob DK with almost the same solution. He chose to use, what is it, 2 down here instead of bridging the gap up here. So we are comfortably in the lead now by 22,000 points. Going into round 5, let's have a look at it. 9 blocks. Something like this, I guess. Is there something more interesting we could do with those two? I mean, I kinda like this, but I don't know if it's better. I think it might be. And these don't matter. They are there, that's the same. That's better there. And this doesn't matter either. No, I'm happy with this. Let's throw this into the wind. So Astaroth did our other idea. So we actually have 3 very similar, but just where to put these last 2 ones. We'll figure out if we made a mistake. It looks like we did. There was a bit more points by doing it the way we thought up first, and then followed by this solution only losing, what is that, 60 points or something? And then down to ours losing 300 points. So definitely a little bit of room for improvement, but it's not enough to really rock the boat in this where we are right now. We have to lose by 22,000 points in round 6 or 7, and that can easily be done. So let's see something even like that. I like it. Do I? Okay, I have to think. I think this is fine. We don't have 1,000 blocks here, so something like this is lovely. So we have a triple here, but is that better than 2 doubles? And where would we put our other one? I guess up here. Yeah. This is a case where I think actually 2 doubles are gonna be better. Are we gonna get a full one from this? Not really. How about that? And that. Probably more likely. Yeah, I think this is what we are ending up with. Let's see. Seems like this was a common denominator. Astaroth getting for the double and single. I think that's gonna cost him dearly, so let's just make sure. We got a hit there, and there was no overlap between these two. And the question is there gonna be overlap between the second hit here and the second hit there? I think we're gonna get a free pass. No, there's gonna be a little bit of overlap, a little tiny bit. That is very acceptable. Great solutions all around. I wonder if the triple and the double would have been better. I'm not certain. All right, round 7. Let's see, 15 points. Last round, and I think it's gonna be difficult for us to lose it at this point. Where do we gonna wanna come in? I think up here looks nice. And let's squeeze it up in this crevice and down. Here. I like this a bit more. I would love one there. Where can we save one? There. Yeah. At that point, no, that's the same. I think I'm quite happy with this. Love more up here, like 1, but I think this one is better than that one. And the same goes for this one. So I think this is what's for dinner. Let's see. Very clean solution here by Astaroth. Noob DK with kinda the same idea as ours. But is he gonna beat us? No, Astaroth is, though. Great solution there. Yeah, and there is also like there's a lot of small crevices here in Astaroth's solution. I thought there were enough for us, but apparently this one is the winning ticket. Great solution there. All right, so it looks like our streak continues. How many is that? It's three in a row. All right, let's see tomorrow. There are still 7 hours left, so someone might come in and take away this victory from us. So the game that we are playing is called Maze Game, and you can find it at maze.game. You can just put that into any browser and you are good to go. So come on in and have a go at the daily challenge, see how you fare in the puzzles, or see how far you can get in the arena. Do me a solid and click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos in the future. I am Bubu and this has been the Daily Challenge.